The Doogee S200, one of the best 5G feature-packed rugged devices of 2024, with a mecha design, a customizable rear display, Wi-Fi 6 and 5G support, IP68 and IP69K ratings, and many more, is currently available for just $176 on AliExpress. Now, this is a limited special sale. It's going to end on the 26th of August. So if you're interested, then make sure to use the link in the comment section. You have till on the 26th. Anyway, let's explore the top specs and features of the Doogee S200. According to the details, the S200 boasts a substantial 6.72-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals and responsiveness. This is complemented by a unique 1.32-inch AMOLED multifunctional round rear display, a feature we don't often see in rugged phones. That's right guys, the Doogee S200 is one of the few rugged devices with a rear display. Now, its functionality has not been disclosed, but it could offer a range of shortcuts, notifications, or even standalone app experiences. The phone has a thickness of 16mm, but its weight has not been disclosed yet. Under the hood, the device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 octa-core processor, which promises decent performance for everyday tasks and even some light gaming. The inclusion of up to 32GB of RAM is impressive for a rugged phone and should handle multitasking with ease. Storage options are generous as well, with 256GB built-in and expandable storage up to a whopping 2TB via microSD card. Now let's move on to its camera capabilities. The Doogee S200 features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 100MP main camera, which is capable of capturing detailed images, while the 20MP night vision camera is a standout feature for low light conditions, and the last camera lens is a 2MP macro lens, which is perfect for close-up shots. And for selfies, the 20MP front camera should be sufficient for most users. The S200 packs a 10,100 mAh battery, which promises exceptional endurance. Coupled with 33-watt fast charging, users can spend less time tethered to a power outlet. So other features includes the latest Android 14, dual nano SIM slots, and support for various global navigation systems including GPS and others adds to its versatility. So these are the key details of the Doogee S200. Overall, the Doogee S200 appears to be a compelling package for those seeking a rugged phone with a strong emphasis on performance, battery life, and camera capabilities. The unique rear display is an intriguing addition that could set it apart from the competition. However, the true test will be in the real-world usage and how well the device balances ruggedness with user experience. So what are your thoughts about the Doogee S200? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.